Hi, Dr. Cruz here from My Wellness Physicians. I want to talk to you about perimenopause. Many people think of perimenopause as just hot flashes, night sweats, and irregular periods, but it's actually more than that. Perimenopause, which is the transition period, it can occur 1, 5, or even 10 years before menopause. It can bring about a wide range of symptoms that can vary from person to person. Some common symptoms of perimenopause include mood swings, fatigue, palpitations, brain fog, weight gain, changes in libido, vaginal dryness, memory issues. These symptoms can have a significant impact in our quality of life and overall well-being. So if you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's really important that you talk to your healthcare provider. They can help you understand what's going on with your body and maybe even provide guidance on how to alleviate these symptoms. One potential option to consider is hormone replacement therapy. It can help balance hormones and alleviate some of the symptoms of perimenopause. HRT may not be the right choice for everyone, so it's really crucial to have an open and honest discussion with your healthcare provider about the risks and benefits of this treatment. Remember, perimenopause is a natural part of the aging process, and it's very important to take care of ourselves and prioritize our health during this time.